Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. I know I have been gone vacationing. I went to the Bahamas, I went to the Keys, I was gone for a couple weeks, and I think it almost took me a couple weeks to unpack. But I'm back and I am unboxing a Jeffree Star, I think it's the Halloween mystery box. And yes, I have so many boxes to unbox, so I hope you'll be patient with me. And I don't even know what century these boxes are from, so please bear with me. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll like me and my channel enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty and hopefully sticking around to see what I got. And I'm gonna be filming around Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everyone. And let's see what's in the box. So I bought a couple mystery boxes. I think I still have another one to open, but this was the Halloween mystery box, and I wanna say it was like $70. And then they had one that was $120. But I do have a lot of Jeffree Star, but me and mystery boxes just seem to connect. So let's see what's in here. So we went to the Bahamas for a wedding and we had a fabulous time. The weather was a little windy, so we couldn't do a lot of the water sports, but we did end up going snorkeling. I'm not a big snorkeler, but I did go out in the water and kind of play around, and the weather was absolutely beautiful. And I probably gained about 10 pounds on that trip. And then we went to the Keys, and that was just absolutely beautiful. If you've never been to the Keys before, you need to add that to your places to go. So in this mystery box, they have a lot of these single eyeshadows. And I have, oh my God, I have so many of these and I've never used one. I finally did get a palette, one of those Z palettes to put some in. So I'm going to put some in one of those palettes. I just have to figure out what colors. So we have, I don't even know what colors these are, but we have, oh, these look like they're dark. This one's Open Range, this one's Yak Farm, this one's Sugar Cane, so it's probably a lighter one. Then we have Wyoming. I think I have my camera thing here upside down, so if I'm looking the wrong way. And, ooh, this is a pretty blue. And so there had to be 6 in here. And then Make It Rain, so that must be from his Money palette. So we got 6 of these. And then it looks like we got 2 of the eye gloss. And I guess they're powder. I haven't tried the eye gloss. If any of you have tried the eye gloss, let me know. I'm gonna play around with these. As I said, by the time we got back from vacation and I unpacked, and paid the bills and did all that kind of stuff, and we were going to go to Las Vegas with some friends for a week, but we just couldn't get it together. Okay, I give up as to how these open. Oh, they've got some tape on there. And the Keys, have any of you ever been to the Florida Keys? When we went, it has just been like the Halloween week there. And I guess it was like, it's like a New Orleans, so it had been crazy busy. I mean, rooms went for $800 a night. So we didn't pay that because we got there right after that. But it is beautiful, the water is blue. They definitely are not lacking pina coladas and alcohol there. But we did have a good time. We rented a scooter. We went on the main street. They had plenty of shopping to do. Okay, I'm kind of like giving up. I'll get this out. This is, gotta figure out this camera thing. This is a brown one, and I'm afraid if I open this, it'll, oh yeah, it's got the little puff there. But it's a really pretty color. So I do have to figure out how these work. And then there's another one. I'm not going to attempt to open it. I'm just going to look up the color. Maybe. I don't know where it says the color. So we have two. I just don't know what the color is. But I'll put it in the comments below. Then we have the Weirdo palette. And I'm not sure if I've got this Weirdo palette before, but I'm not gonna keep it. I'll either put it in a giveaway or I'll put it on Mercari because the color pattern just isn't new. The palette is actually beautiful. There's the palette. It's actually beautiful. But I'll show you the colors. Those are the colors. They're just not a Robyn color. But it's a definitely a Halloween palette. And then we have a pair of socks. Now, it's actually starting to get cold in Arizona, so I will probably wear these at night. And then we got some lippies, and we have down. They're definitely generous with the lippies. Ooh, this looks like a purple. So here's that one. Figure out this camera yet. I don't think I'm going to be wearing that color. Ooh, and this one is called Spooky Lavender. So as I said, this is definitely his Halloween mystery box. Although it's past Halloween. Ooh, actually, I kind of like that one. I have to test these out. And then we got some more glosses. This is Leo, and that's a pretty color. Few more. So again, I paid $70, and there's definitely over $70 worth. I think the palette retails for $29. Ooh, now this is a red. That won't be Stan. And this is called Deceased. So it's probably gonna be like in the lavender ooh. Not sure on this one. It could work. Could go over something, or it could work, but not a bad color. I just don't like the name, I think, every time you put it on. And then we got a Velvet Trap, and it's Gravedigger. And I just love these. They just kind of snap on. Ooh. Yeah, this is definitely in the Gravedigger family. It would have been a perfect Halloween color. Then we have a couple more items. I think I have this one. I won't say the name. It's Jeffree Star approved mascara, and I think color, not sure if they're black, if it's, yeah, I think it's black. Sometimes it's the color of the case, like if you get a green one, it might be green. but I do have this one and I do use it and it works. And then the last item, it's a little smushy, so I don't think it's a makeup item. Think, oh, it's the cleaver. He's got these cleaver mirrors, but I think this is a cleaver coin purse. Now, I don't think I've seen that. I watch a ton of unboxings of Jeffree Star just to kind of get the scoop of what might be in a mystery box if I want it. But I don't think I've seen it. It's a little wristlet, the cleaver coin purse. I cracked myself up. Okay, so I'm not sure. Because it's, you know, this is supposed to be blood. You know, it would have been great at Halloween time. You go trick-or-treating with your kids. Maybe not. But it is cute. I just don't know if I'm digging that this is supposed to be blood. I am not like a Halloween movie Freddy Krueger type of person. But if it was anything but like the blood, I would love it. So I think that's everything. I'm anxious to try these eyeglasses. So this is really a high value box. Let me know what your favorite item in this box was. Let me know if you got one. Let me know if you got the bigger box. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. And I have more stories to tell you about my vacation, how we slept in a car. And again, thank you guys so much for stopping by. And I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to have an awesome day.